Ingredients: banana spring roll skin chocolate. First, cut the banana using a knife. Then, chocolate banana with spring rolls. Put oil in the pan. Put the chocolate banana, about 5 pieces, into the pan. Then put the fried chocolate banana in the hot oil. Firstly, fry the chocolate banana until it cooks. When it's cooked, put the chocolate banana on a